Hello dears, today I am going to teach you the letter J, which is very easy to make, and I'll be using an 8-ply yarn, a scissor and a tapestry needle. I'll be using the 5 mm hook to make this project. So slip knot, and make 11 chains, and into the second chain make a double crochet and continue making a double crochet till the end. So you'll have 10 double crochets by the time you complete. Please tell me where you're watching from. Give me a like, subscribe, comment and share. So we completed 10 double crochets in this row. Hope you're able to see. Now into the sleeping double crochet we will make 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2. Then make 3 more slip stitches into the sides of the double crochet, side stitches. Then make 13 chains, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then into the second chain we make a double crochet, again into the same chain make another double crochet. So 2 double crochets in 1 chain. So this will make 4 sets of 2 double crochets in 4 chains. So we have now 3 sets, and then this is the 4th set. Fourth set. You can see the J curling up, and into the next 8 we will make double crochets. Next 8 chains we make double crochets. So 8. We made 8 double crochets. Now we'll just turn this work here so that this stands with this row. Then we'll slip stitch into the first, second and third, the third stitch, and our J is complete. Make 2 chains and fasten off. And here we have a J, another J. I made 3 to make a project for someone. So next we'll hide this thread in, and then we will just stitch these 2 parts together so that it looks neater. If you want to do it, you can do it, otherwise it's up to you, totally up to you. cut out all the threads, and your J is ready to be used for your projects. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye-bye. Make 2 chains.